In this video, we'll learn how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. So firstly, open your Instagram app and head to your profile. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From there, scroll down until you can find the Who Can See Your Content section. In there, click on Story, Live and Location. And here you can find the option is Hide Story and Live From. Here you can find all the followers and you can select each followers to hide the story from, and after that click on done, and now you can post the story. To post the story, go to home page and click any image and select next and add to your story and share. Yes, share stories, and from here you can add to highlights. Just give it a name. Yes, okay, done, and the story will be uploaded soon. As you can see, you can find your highlights here. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.